10 CBI officials are already inside the DRDO facility. Keshav, the cook, Samuel Miranda, the housekeeper, is also inside. Riya Chakrabarti, the prime accused in this case, along with her brother Shavik Chakrabarti, are also inside, and in a few moments from now, the CBI is going to grill these people. Today is the third day when Riya Chakrabarti, the prime accused in this case, is going to be grilled by the CBI officials, and we are expecting that in some time, other prime witnesses in the case, that is Neeraj, Siddharth Pithani, Dipesh Sawant, and these people could also be coming in because these are the prime witnesses in this case. Now, as I have been telling you, what has been the broad topics under which the CBI's investigation has gone on. But may I add here, Chetty, one thing. A lot of people have been asking the questions in social media as to why CBI would be asking questions like as to what the relationship of Riya Chakrabarti was with the late actor, how much was the late actor spending on her, how is this any line of investigation that so much has been spent by Sushant Singh on Riya Chakrabarti. Now the reason for this line of questioning is simple, because CBI is trying to find out about the abetment to suicide charges as well. Now, all these questions will give understanding to the CBI whether an environment had been created by Riya Chakrabarti or not, within which Sushant Singh was left suffocating enough that he had to take the extreme step. Because remember, the charges that have been put forward by the late actor's father, KK Singh, in the FIR filed in Patna, says that she was the one who forced his son to take the extreme step, and that is why abetment to suicide charges. While on one hand, CBI is trying to find out whether this is a case of suicide or there is foul play involved in it. These questionnaires, this list of questionnaires about the personal relationship as to whether...
Again, let's take a look at who all are being grilled by the CBI. As far as the probe is concerned, the prime accused, of course, Riya is being grilled. Remember, Sushant's family has accused Riya of siphoning money from Sushant and murdering him. That's the probe. That's the allegation. Shavik Chakrabarti, number 2, who's being grilled. He's Riya's brother. Along with his sister, Shavik has also been accused of money laundering charges. Number 3, you've got Samuel Miranda, the former house manager. He was present at the residence of Sushant on 14th of June. Let's go to the next one. Keshav is being grilled as well. He happens to be Sushant's cook. He went to ask Sushant on 14th of June, what will he have for breakfast? He was apparently the last person to have seen Sushant alive.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.